Hi, welcome back to Journey to Nailed. Thank you for clicking on this video and joining this journey with me. In today's video, we're going to be doing an Amazon haul as well as a JC Concepts unboxing. I decided to do this haul a little different than my last one. In this haul, you will be seeing just the merchandise instead of me as well. If you guys enjoy this type of haul, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, so first up, I have a 3-piece McCart safety drill bit set. All 3 of the bits are safety bits, and it comes with a fine bit, a coarse bit, and a medium grit bit. They all 3 came together, and they all are safety bits. Next up is this 16 fluid ounce acetone. As a nail tech, you can never have enough acetone. I'm sorry it's a little bit out of the frame, but yep, there it is. This is a 6-piece mixed nail art rhinestone kit. Each individual little rhinestone kit is a mixture of different things. Some of them have moons, crescents, some of them have stars, some of them have small little rhinestones, and they come in a variety of different colors. I see pink, there's a green one, there's like this rose gold. There are 2 gold ones, one is specifically gold, one has gold mixed with silver in it. So yeah, they're very pretty and they come in handy for like little random nail art. These are the McCart 500-piece clear half-cover false nails that I have purchased, as well as a nail nipper that I really needed. I needed some more white acrylic, so I went with the Mia Secret white acrylic, the French 3D powder. I did want to order the white acrylic from JC Concepts, but however, when I made my order, they were sold out, so I had to go with the Mia Secret. My nail trainer is in need for a manicure, so I got that girl some replaceable fingertips. Y'all, her fingertips are so dirty and like the stains won't come out, so I just got some new ones. Next up, we have some micro PIXIE beads. They do get the job done. They give you the essence of a pixie. However, they aren't as iridescent as they display on Amazon. So just be a little worried about that when you make your purchase. Next up, we have the 21-ounce Barbicide disinfectant jar. Ladies, I will tell you, if you are just starting out, especially if you want to start practicing on people, you want to invest in the Barbicide disinfectant jar as well as the Barbicide disinfectant. Especially as a new nail tech, you do not want to start your career already having some infections under your belt because you did not properly disinfect your tools. And if you go on the Barbicide website, they do give you step-by-step as well as like the procedures on how to properly use your Barbicide. As well as the clear nail tips, I also purchased the Macart Natural 500-piece nail tips. So that's those. And then next up in my hand, it looks like I have some scissors. Yep, some nail tech scissors. These scissors are stainless steel, and one of them is shaped like a swan and the other one is just a regular set of scissors. Okay, next up I have some nail tip cases. So I purchased 2 sets of nail tips, the clear and the natural. However, they just came bagged without a case, so I got 2 cases for them. Looks like this is the last item in the Amazon part of this video, and these are the 4-box nail art dried flowers that is really popular right now. I thought I was getting a deal because it's 4 of them that came in the box. However, it's like in each individual slot of those 4 boxes there's only 2 flowers, so I won't get that many uses out of them, but it was still a pretty good deal for 4 boxes. Now moving on to JC Concepts. This is their Cover Pink. I have used this already. I will say it's not that very pigmented. It's like a light pinkish color. It's not very pigmented. Next up we have the JC Beauty Concepts. What color is that? That is the color number 15. Then we have the Cover Blush from JC Concepts. I do believe this is one of their more popular colors, if I am not mistaken. And is that it? Yep, woo! That concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments below.